video I'm going to show you guys how to install the latest just released iOS 10 Beta 1. So there's loads of new features, too many for me to go through and keep this video short and sweet because all you guys really want to know is how to get it right now. This method is not going to use a computer, so we're not going to manually download the .ipsw like I did before. So it's all going to happen from the device. No registration, no developer's account. You don't have to sign up for anything. Now, just to cut some time a little bit more short, on your screens now is all the supported devices. Okay, so before we start, make sure that the device is activated, meaning you have access to your Springboard, of course. Make sure it's obviously not cloud locked. So I've got the write-up of all the new features in the description, and I've also got a link to, of course, Apple's presentation, so you can take a quick look at that and see exactly what's new. So in the description is a special download link. I'm going to paste in the link. Just click it via Safari on your device. In fact, before I do that, I'm just going to show you, just to prove to you, general software updates. You can see there, I'm not a developer, there's no update there for me. So, click on my link, hit return, and it'll bring you to this screen. I want you to click no thanks, and then right up here, download, direct download, and then let it do its thing. Wait. Feel like it's sticky, do exactly what I did. Tap on it, then hit return again, and then you'll get this profile. I need you to hit install. Install again. Install on the pop-up. Now I want you to hit restart. So it's going to reboot your device. Settings, general, software updates, and now we've got iOS 10 available to us. Download. Agree, and let it do its thing. Okay, so once installed locally, we can now install. So let's see if the magic's happened. Settings, general, about, iOS 10. Let's check out, there we go. The new Siri logo. Let's go wallpapers. Let's check out the wallpapers quick. Yes, that's the iconic iOS 10 wallpaper. So guys, thanks for watching. It's your boy D7 as always. Don't forget to rate, comment, subscribe.